Rob with Remington Enterprises. Welcome to Tips, Tricks, and DIYs. Got a draft by your front door when the north wind blows? Got an unsightly weather strip? Let's enhance the look of your property. We'll show you how to do that right now. The weather strip may be damaged, as you can see. The traffic rushing by it, or pets trying to get in the home. First thing we want to do is remove the old weather stripping. You may be able to get a hold of it and pull it out, but it's very likely that it's been in a while and it's pretty well stuck. I'm going to start towards the bottom and twist and slowly move it away from the slot until I feel I have enough to get a hold of and pull it out. We can go ahead and pull it out the rest of the way and discard the old weather strip. Take a look at the inside of the door frame. You'll see a slot for the new weather strip to pop into. You're going to make sure that that's free of debris and clean. I'm going to use a brush. I'm going to go down all the way and make sure my track is clean for my new weather strip. It's unlikely the weather strip you buy will be the exact length of the one you took off. So measure the length of your weather strip before you go to the home store. Come back, measure your new weather strip, and cut the fit. To install your weather strip, after you've measured and cut, insert the tab into the slot at one end or the other. And slowly work your way down and move the tab into the slot as you work your way down to the baseboard. Working it all the way to the bottom and make sure it's good and sealed all the way. That'll help keep your home draft free and a beautiful entry for years to come. I'm Rob with Remington Enterprises. Thanks for watching Tips, Tricks, and DIYs.